Breathing in, there is awareness of breathing in. Breathing out, there is awareness of breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. In, out. Insufferable beliefs. Beliefs about nature. Part 1. Reflections. We humans are indubitably connected to every aspect of nature, because without it, as it is, none of us could even remotely survive, let alone exist. Yet, our beliefs, and certainly our behaviors towards nature, invariably reflects individual as well as collective perspectives towards other human beings, including our very selves. In other words, we effectively see and treat the planet just as we do and with to each other. Pave the earth. Mankind's ceaseless lust for concrete, asphalt, steel, and glass, along with all the environmental issues they individually and collectively bring, is slowly devastating and ultimately replacing native forests, vast prairies, and even mountains with an entirely new world made in our image, one destined to become artificial, sterile, and perhaps totally automated, or controlled by artificial intelligence. A global dystopian byproduct of collective and unresolved human suffering. Disconnect. For those of us who reside within the world's cold, hardened, and even lifeless cities, carpeted with a relatively permanent barrier against the earth that has given us each life, perhaps our only remaining connection to nature is in the food we eat, if even that.